Hello everyone, I am prabin-shrestha. As a final year project, I have developed a Laravel application, which is a web application, a dynamic web application that manages a food sale company. Before starting my application, I want to show something about how I developed it and what are the files or folders that I required during the development of the project. So at first I have downloaded a complete Laravel project from its Laravel website, official website, through which we can get a framework or Laravel total framework for app, where we can get we can see there is an app folder, bootstrap folder, database folder, and every folder that are made in such a way that we can access each and every function of our application or Laravel framework easily to manage our web application and make the build process much more fast. As I have already completed my application, let's start. So here I am opening my git bash in the root folder of our project. So at first we have to type command php in order to start the local server. After starting the local server, it runs in the port 8000 that we need to copy, and then we will paste this in our browser. Now you can see that the application that I have developed of food sale management for Gokarna food sale arena. This is my landing page. Here are landing page. There are some options that is available for login, registration, and book now for customer. This is the client based front end parts. The first step that we will do is register the new player as our team. So you can see, let me complete this form. Here you can see I have already filled up the forms where the name, contact, address, date of birth, and email address and password. As the front end application has been validated with the HTML5 validation that comes inbuilt with the HTML5 model, whereas there has been some backend validation as well, where we do checking of empty field and other data validation, like uniqueness of the email, that email should be unique of each and every player or a team that want to register in our food sale application. So for that we have register controller, where every validation is backend validation are done. Like in name, we need to require the name and it should be string that should not exceed the maximum character of 255. Similarly, the email, there is a unique users. This unique users extract the data from our database and check each and every email address with the given email address, and if it matches with any existing email address, then it just throw an backend error that will help to validate our application more. Now let's move to the. Now we have logged in. As soon as we register, it automatically logins into our system, and there is a new navigation bar for the logged in user that now only contains book now, about us, and home. That home we are not going to use right now. Let's start from booking now any food sale. So at first choose your playing ground. So we need to first choose the date. Let me show some validation to you. If I choose the date earlier to the today or past date, then it will certainly throw some error. See the message, the provided date already expired, so we can't choose any date. This is some backend validation that I have implemented in my code or in my application. So I will choose the medium ground size, and I also another thing also in my validation, that it's see the booking has been confirmed. Now my booking has been confirmed as choose your playing ground. Now let's move to get back to our dashboard. So here you can see that I have just my bookings over here, this is my home application on navigation bar from where I can log out as well. Now I can see when I booked my book date is 2020-8/22, the book time, and booking ground medium. So this is how I can check my application. And so if you try to know about what the application has been made, so it has already also contained bootstrap code that makes our application responsive to the CSS, responsive to the screen resolution size. Here I can show you as soon as our screen size gets normal or to the smaller size, the navigation bar and links gets auto adjusted according to the size of the screen. So this is our client part, and we have so this is our admin panel. We can register admin through giving of manual link, as I haven't provided any link or navigation bar to the admin as of security concern. So we have to manually type every link for the admin panel. So while registering the new admin, we just need to type our localhost port and /admin of Futsal. As I don't have any much time, so I have already registered my admin. Therefore, I will directly move to the admin panel. So let's move to the admin panel right now. So this is there is no any today booking, player name, contact players. So as you can see, the booking are always shown when there is a booking for today. Let me show you properly. So let's log in into application. I'll book an event for today, okay, and then I will show you how we can get it. So the booking has been confirmed. So you can see player name, player contact, player email, book time, book date. So we have another option of adding packages like tournament, like other. So tournament, pay 1500. Submit. As we are in admin, we can update or delete it as well. Now let's go back to dashboard. So this is our proper application. As you can see, it is in responsive also. Visual.